Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of data structures, today we are going to start this series with a lecture that is what is data structures primarily. So computer is an electronic machine which is used for data processing and manipulation. When programmer collects such type of data for processing, he would require to store all of them in computer's main memory. In order to make computer work, we need to know what is the representation of the data in the computer, accessing of data, and how to solve problems step by step. For doing this task, we use data structure. So for doing these three tasks, we use data structure. So now the question comes, what exactly is data structure? So here you can see, I've written the definition over here. Data structure is a representation. What it represents of a logical relationship existing between individual elements of data. So it's a logical relationship which is established between individual elements of data, and it is represented, is known as data structure. Data structure is a way of organizing all data items that considers not only the elements stored but also their relationship to each other. We can also define data structure as a mathematical or logical model of a particular organization of data items. The representation of particular data structure in the main memory of computer is called storage structure. The storage structure representation in auxiliary memory. The storage structure representation in auxiliary memory is known as file structure. File structure. It is defined as the way of storing and manipulating data in organized form so that it can be used efficiently. Data structure mainly specifies the following four things. First is organization of data. Organization of data. Accessing methods. Degree of associativity. Degree of associativity. And processing alternatives for information. Now basically a program is a sum total of a program is a sum total of two things, that is algorithm plus data structure. Data structure study covers the following points: amount of memory required to store data, amount of time required to process, representation of data in memory, and operations performed on that data. So this is all for the introduction of data structures. Next we'll be seeing classification of data structures. So stay tuned for more such content to Technostic. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel. Please press the bell button to get the latest updates to our videos on our channel. Thank you.